Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about a function called proper. This is not a very well-known function in Excel, but it does fix an important problem. Now take a look at this spreadsheet. In the surnames and first name, you see that someone was not in the mood for typing. So we have capitals, lowercase. There's a lot going on in here. If I wanted to correct these one by one, I could, but it would be very time consuming. So let's take a look at the proper function and how to fix these capitalization irregularities. The first thing I need to do is insert a column before the surnames and then insert another blank column before the first name columns. So let's right-click on column A and choose Insert. Then right-click on column C and choose Insert. I will just go to the first cell right here and type in the equal sign. Now I will type the word proper. Left parenthesis. Now I need to select the cell that has improper capitalization. So here it is. That was my first cell. And enter. It has corrected my problem. Now you may think, well, if I have to type in that formula and choose every single cell, that's also very time consuming. But the good news is I don't need to do that. I can use the autofill handle that's here in the corner of the cell. We have talked about this in previous videos. Click on it and drag to the end. What happened? The formula that I had in the first cell automatically transferred to the rest of the cells. And all of my surnames now are proper. They have been capitalized properly. So Smith, which was all capitalized, is now Smith with the first letter capital. Friendly, which was half capitals, half lowercase, is corrected. Shane, which was all lowercase, is corrected. Everything is corrected. But now I have two columns that are practically duplicates. And one has lots of improper capitalization, one that is correct. Now you would think now, okay, let's delete column B. Okay, let's do that and see what happens. Delete. I cannot delete column B because my formula is based on column B. So let's undo that. What I need to do is select column A, right-click and copy. Now I can insert it here in column B, right-click and choose Paste Values. So it will not paste my formula, it will paste my values. And here it is. Of course, in the first cell, let's type surname. Now I can delete column A. Let's do it again with column C. First, let's copy this. Okay, now we want a formula that will give us proper capitalization equals proper of what? Of cell C2, and enter. It has corrected the capitalization problem. Now select that cell and go to the autofill handle, click and drag, so this formula will be copied to the rest of my cells. And you see now everything has been corrected. But I'm not done yet. Now I need to copy my column, select column C, right click, and paste the values right here. Now I can delete column B, which contained the formulas. Now you would agree that this is a much quicker and easier way to correct capitalization problems rather than correcting each and every record one by one. Because imagine if you had a very large spreadsheet and not a small one like this, it would take forever. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.